This lighting technique requires a big head. In this video, you learn how to stand out from the background with rim light. Rim light, hair light, edge light, they have many names for it, but they all do the same thing. This is what it looks like with just the rim light. You have the light creating an outline around the head and the shoulders. So when you combine the rim light and the light lighting the face, you notice the head stands out from the background. If I turn the rim light off, you notice the head, especially around the edges, blends into the background. But what if you don't have a big head? There are many ways to achieve similar results. You can place the light behind you at an angle, usually it's around 45 degrees, so the light doesn't show up on camera. Now it is also illuminating the shoulders as well. One thing to keep in mind is which side to place the rim light on. The main light is here. I notice if I place the rim light at the same side as the main light, it is stacking, leaving one side in complete shadow. To make the rim light seem like it is coming from somewhere, you can add a lamp. Subconsciously, this makes a difference. The mind would think the light is coming from the lamp, but it actually doesn't do anything. There you have it. The rim light is to separate the person from the background. It is to separate you from the dark side.